Stampers, this is Patsy Waggoner with Stamps to Die For. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I've been a demonstrator for over 20 years now, and I just love being able to share with you some fun, quick and easy items. This is called a double gate fold card, and it's very simple to make, and I'm going to show you how to make that card. And I'm going to be using this fun snowman season stamp set along with the punch, which is part of the Let It Snow suite of products. You can buy all these products individually, or if you bundle the snowman season and the punch together, you save 10% on both of those items. So let's get started. First, we're going to take a piece of the Let It Snow Designer Series paper. It's 5.5 inches long by 12 inches. And I have pre-scored it at 2 inches, 4 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. And we're going to, you want to decide which way what you want for the inside of your card, and then you're going to fold it on the score marks. So I'm going to take my bone folder, which is a staple on my desk, and we're going to fold it that way, and then we're going to fold this one this way. And we're going to take this one, we're going to fold that, fold this back. Now if you wanted the little hats on the outside, then you would fold it the reverse way. So this is going to be our fun fold card. And the bone folder just gives you nice good creases. Then I want to embellish this a little bit. That's the base of our card. So I have pre-cut out one of the oval stitched dies. Last week I showed you the 12 dies, or the stitch shaped dies, and there's 12 of them in here. There's 4 squares, 4 ovals, and 4 circles. And they pair very nicely with the layering ovals that come with straight ovals or these scalloped ovals. So I've just cut out one that's a tad bit bigger than our oval, and I'm going to apply that to my scallop. So I'm going to take my multi-purpose glue, get that out to the sides a little bit there, and I'm going to just glue this onto our scallop circle. And I'm going to glue this just to this side of our fun fold. So I'm going to put some multi-purpose glue just on the left-hand side of my oval. And I'm going to glue that to there so we have our fold like that. Now I need to give our little snowman. And what's kind of really fun about this punch is some of the designer paper comes with these little snowmans on, and you just go in, and I'm going to just punch that snowman out along with a few other pieces. And then I also want a hat for him, so I'm taking the one with the hats, and I'm going to just punch out one of the hats. So this is a very quick, easy card. We have dimensionals that come in 2 different sizes. We have our regular dimensionals, and now we have our mini dimensionals, and they also came out in the holiday catalog with black dimensionals. So when you're working with darker projects, you won't have these white dimensionals. Not that you often see them, but sometimes you can see them from the side. So we're going to place our little snowman there, and we're going to put a little hat on him. I'm going to stick that mini dimensional right above my snowman, and then I'm going to place my little hat on top of him here like that. There we go. And he needs a little scarf to warm himself up. So we're going to take, last week I showed you this fun little embellishment package. So we're going to take one of our little embellishments. We're going to take the little scarf and put on him there. Now you could use this, you know, for a holiday Christmas card, or maybe you have relatives or friends and family that have birthdays in, you know, the snowy months of the year, and so you can use this to make also make a birthday card if you want. Now for the inside, I'm taking a piece of 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and I'm taking a 3.5 Whisper White by 4 3/4, and I'm going to glue this onto the red. Just like this. And then we're going to put some glue on the back side of this real red. And we're going to put that on the inside of our card here. So we're going to just lay this down on the inside here. Like that. And of course we want to stamp a little greeting inside. So I've taken the Merry Christmas from the Seasonal Snowman stamp set, and I've got some real red classic ink here, and I'm going to ink that up, and I'm going to stamp it right in the middle like that. Now when you're using reds on your photopolymers, it's kind of, if you like to keep them really clean, it's a good idea to clean them right away. Now this is our chamois cleaner. It is really an amazing cleaning tool. I absolutely love mine, and it comes, it's not like this, but it's a really pretty purple, and then it gets icky, but you know what, no matter how icky it gets, I rinse it out when I'm done each day. The staining stays on there, but it doesn't affect my stamps. We also have, if you don't like, you know, the staining, reds seem to stain the photopolymer a bit. You can take this new stamp cleaner pad, and it will get most of that red coloring off of your stamp, and so you've now got a really nice clean stamp. But you want to be sure to go rinse that under the faucet. But you can see the difference here where I rubbed a little more and here where I didn't. So you can go in and just, the other day I needed to take some permanent magic marker off something, and I just used the stamp cleaner for that process, and it actually worked really well. So that is a little tip today for cleaning your stamps. Here is another card I made using that same fun fold. Isn't that pretty paper too? The papers are always so much prettier in person than they are, you know, just online. And so I maybe would decide to add a little greeting here. I kind of like a little words on my cards. This one is a little bit, I want the snowman to be the focus, so I'll probably just put a little tag there somewhere. But there you go. You have 2 really quick, easy, fun fold cards. I hope you enjoyed today's inspiration. Happy stamping!